was a new BCM installed. Let me turn this thing off, she's loud. This one took a little bit of ingenuity. Not only did I have to use one programmer, I had to use three. I had to hook up a little bit of pressure on here and just keep at it. But we recoded the BCM, recoded the wireless module so everything works the way that it is supposed to work, and she's running again after a few months. So I'm excited to see her on the road. If you need our services, our phone number is 954-901-1889. I service all of Lee County. I'm actually in Cape Coral right now. Look at this thing. Monster.